Would you rather quit medicine or quit YouTube?
I don't want to hate my job.
I might actually quit medicine. Majority of the time, majority of the year, majority of the month, I'm hating my life.
Ew, scary.
Would you rather spit wee or wee spit?
Wait a minute. I'm gonna be sick.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Hiya guys, and welcome back to Journey to Med. In today's video we're going to be playing Would You Rather, and guys, some of the statements that you guys sent in, honestly I cackled.
I literally can't wait to answer them. But before we get started, if you guys are new, my name is Hazal
And my name is Liddy,
and we produce medicine and lifestyle related content every Friday at 6 PM.
so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on anything.
Period.
And that's on period.
Okay, first question. Would you rather quit medicine or quit YouTube?
Obviously, I love YouTube and I love everything that comes with it, but I want to be a doctor, and I want to be a doctor more than I want to be a YouTuber. So unfortunately, I know you guys will miss me, but I would have to quit YouTube and then like probably just do videos on Instagram to make up for it. But I want to be a doctor. I will be a doctor. I will be a doctor.
I can't lie guys, medical school's getting a bit hard. So I think I might actually quit medicine.
Child. Anyway, so.
No, I'm joking. No, I would 100% quit YouTube just because I see myself being like a long-term doctor forever more than I see myself being like a YouTuber slash influencer forever.
Yeah, exactly.
If that makes sense. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Sorry guys.
Would you rather drop out of medical school or go on to become a doctor and hate your job?
Drop out of medical
I'd rather
school.
drop out, yeah. Just
Yeah.
because
I don't want to hate my job.
yeah, I don't want to hate my
Yeah.
job. Like your job, what, 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. So a majority of the time, a majority of the year, majority of the month, I'm hating my life. Nah, dead it.
Cut that. Cut the
it, yeah.
cameras.
Cut the cameras.
Yes.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Oh my god, this one when I saw it, yeah, I was like, what in the world?
Wait,
Okay,
what is it?
would you rather eat a needle or stick a needle in your big toe and then kick the wall?
Bruh.
That is so messed up, man. I don't want to hear, you know the sound of my teeth hitting metal? I
Yeah.
can't. Oh my god, I can't. Like, I think if I'm on strong anesthetics, yeah, I'd rather stick a needle into my big toe and kick the wall.
Yeah, because I can't lie, I feel like that will cause less damage overall.
Would you prefer to work with pediatrics or geriatrics? What geriatrics?
Bruh.
Lol, we're actually medical students.
We should probably know this.
Should we?
Geriatrics.
Should I know it just because I'm a medical student?
Pediatric. I love children, so I'd rather work with children than the elderly. What about you?
Yeah, I think pediatrics as well. Even though we haven't proper been on placement and tried a different one, so I can't speak too soon.
That's
but
true.
I have tried pediatrics, so I can only speak from my experience. So yeah, pediatrics. Would you rather spit wee or wee spit?
Who thinks of this type of thing?
I love it.
Who thinks of this?
I love
well,
it.
obviously we spit. I'd rather spit come out of my urethra or urethra
Then
than
we come out of my mouth. Yeah.
Exactly.
I'd rather we spit. My goodness, child. Would you rather become a doctor or lose your friendship?
Wait a minute. So you basically said medicine or Liddy?
Yeah, medicine or Hazal.
Oh my-
I don't know in what situation that would happen, but like obviously medicine.
No, yeah, medicine.
She doesn't mean that much to me, guys. I'm so sorry. Like,
Exactly. We're here because of Journey to Med.
yeah, no, literally I hired her because of Journey to
No,
Med.
no. I hide.
She begs to be associated with
Oh,
me, but-
please.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Oh my gosh, what is it? You're scaring me. What is it?
Would you rather have to redo secondary school or redo the whole medical admissions process?
I'm gonna be sick.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Redo secondary school.
Redo secondary school. 'Cause you know what? Secondary was lit.
Like year 9, year 10, year 11 was really, really good.
Yeah, but like, no, the medical admissions process, my face just cleared up. I'm not trying to get like acne stress again.
That was the like worst for me.
Yeah.
The self-doubt, everything. No, I'm not going. I don't want to go through that ever
At the
again.
time, my mental health just wasn't the best. Like,
It was
the medical
not.
application process ain't it. It wasn't it. Like,
They put you through a lot, man.
yeah, man.
I'm not trying to go through that again.
Definitely redo secondary school.
Yeah.
Would you rather be a medical student for the rest of your life or be an A-level student for the rest of your life?
Is that even a question?
I can't read.
As if you guys didn't just hear the answer to the other question. Of course, I'd be a medical student forever.
Yeah.
I feel like it's actually kind of lit. Being a medical student.
Would you prefer cereal or milk first?
Oh, here we go again, here we go. Okay, I know my answer isn't a popular answer, but it is the correct answer, unfortunately. It's obviously milk first. Obviously. If you want warm milk, are you going to warm it up with your cereal in there? So you want soggy cereal? Don't make me sick.
I think definitely cereal first because
No.
what if you put too much milk? No man, nah, definitely cereal first. You lots are backing it right now in the comments. Cereal first, gay.
No, guys, comment down below. Milk first. If you comment cereal first, that means you're wrong.
Bruh.
Basically, and go reevaluate your decisions. Milk
Anyways,
first, always.
would you rather spend a week in a haunted house or redo medical school from the start?
Oh my gosh. Redo medical school from the
Redo
start.
medical from the start. I'm in second year, so it's okay.
Yeah,
I'm just
that's
redoing
fine.
2 years.
Yeah, no, I'm scared
Yeah,
of
no.
anything. I don't watch scary movies.
Yeah, we hate horror movies and
Yeah.
stuff. Like, I can't.
We've watched one in the cinema for our friend's birthday, like when
We
we
closed our
COVID
eyes
free.
through half of it. It
Yeah,
was
we
such
were
a waste
screaming
of a
like
cinema ticket.
babies. No,
Yeah.
And I've never sat down and watched a full scary movie with my family or anything.
Yeah.
It's just not for me.
Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
So guys, this is the last question.
Oh my gosh.
Would you rather have to tell all your crushes you like them, or after every consultation you tell the patient that you have a YouTube channel?
Oh my gosh.
Awkward.
Yeah.
Right now, I actually don't have any crushes. I can't even lie to you. Most of my crushes are
Yeah.
celebrity crushes.
Yeah.
What I say
crushes.
most? I only have celebrity
Celebrity
crushes.
crushes don't count. So,
Yeah, so I'd rather tell my crushes because I ain't got none.
Yeah, but yeah, no, same. I would also just tell my crushes because then I'll be telling no one. Okay, oh my gosh, we're finished. You guys are savages. Some of those questions, why is my only question to you.
Why?
Why?
Yeah guys, we have some really lit videos coming up in the future, so if you want to contribute to those and send in your questions, then go check out our Instagram at journey.t.med so that you don't miss out on anything.
Exactly. As always, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in a new video next week. Bye.
AK Marv produced it.